Kusampo, hello, namaste and tashtala to everyone. Welcome back to my channel, Travel and Food Journey with Kazan. And friends, today's blog is going to be about me sharing my experience with you guys taking a Long Island Railroad train from Woodside all the way to going to Bridgehampton. So friends, I know I'm not going to be showing you the whole journey. I'll just show you some certain clips of it. I know it will be quite boring to see, just sit there and hopefully I get to, capture some beautiful sceneries for you guys. And friends, sit back, relax and enjoy the ride. So friends, we are leaving the Jamaica train station. And from here to Bridgehampton, it's going to be like 2 hours and 10 minutes. And I hope you enjoyed the ride, guys. And then this train has like 2 deck sitting areas, so I'm sitting on the top one.
Two cars up to get off.
Oh,
you understand?
Okay.
You're in. I'll get you ticket.
Okay.
Just if you have time, just.
And friends, as you heard the ticket master that I have to move like 2 compartments ahead, so that's what I'm going to do. And actually it's good that I'll be walking while the train's moving and you guys will get to see how it looks like inside the train.
Hanging off the platform.
Okay.
The train's too long today.
2 cars?
Yep. But you have time. You'll get the base one. Yep. Through this next car into the cars beyond.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome. That one next. Oh, tickets, please.
Thank you. It's shaking. all the seats here are taken.
Rains or gets misty or whatever, you don't have a car, and you're stuck walking around town in the rain, like deciding which way you're gonna go. I'm not sure. What?
Okay, I think I'm gonna sit here. Wow, that was quite a walk. Not very easy to walk when the train's moving. But anyways, friends, you know what? I'm happy that I got to show you guys the inside of the train, as I was like walking towards two more compartment ahead. And friends, so finally I found seat, not my seat, found a nice place for you guys to enjoy the view. And here you go, guys. It's super exciting to share with you this train ride journey. And I think see, there's a train that just coming by. Look how beautiful it looks. This is what I really enjoy my train ride, when I see another train come by, exactly like this moment. And friends, I end the vlog here for Long Island Railroad train ride. And I did not, post all the journey like more than 2 hours, because it was going to be a really long video, and most of the view that I have noticed are like, what I have shared with you guys, mainly, traveling through different towns. And that was pretty much it, friends. But I did have a wonderful time, and I hope you had a good time also riding with me in Long Island Railroad. And friends, thank you for watching. Stay safe, share lots of love, happiness, and peace to you all. Thank you.